Hi everybody, it's Miss Nikki and Puss, and we're here for our next novel, Engineering. Today, we're reading The Three Billy Goats Gruff, and this is Paul Gaudone's version. The Three Billy Goats Gruff. Once upon a time, there were three billy goats. They lived in a valley, and the name of all three billy goats was Gruff. There was very little grass in the valley, and the billy goats were hungry. They wanted to go up the hillside to a fine meadow full of grass and daisies where they could eat and eat and eat and get very fat. But on the way up, there was a bridge over a rushing river, and under the bridge lived a troll who was as mean as he was ugly. First, the youngest billy goat Gruff decided to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "The tiniest billy goat Gruff," said the billy goat in his very small voice, "and I'm going to the meadow to make myself fat." "No, you're not," said the troll, "for I'm coming to gobble you up." "Oh, please don't take me. I'm too little, that I am," said the billy goat. "Wait till the second billy goat Gruff comes. He's much bigger." "Well, then, be off with you," said the troll. A little later, the second billy goat Gruff came to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it's only I, the second billy goat Gruff, and I'm going up to the meadow to make myself fat," said the billy goat, and his voice was not so small. "No, you're not," said the troll, "for I'm coming to gobble you up." "Oh, please don't take me. Wait a little till the third billy goat Gruff comes. He's much bigger." "Well, be off with you," said the troll. Then came the third billy goat Gruff. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, went the bridge. The third billy goat Gruff was so heavy that the bridge creaked and groaned under him. "Who's that tramping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "It is I, the big billy goat Gruff," said the billy goat, and his voice was as loud as the troll's. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," roared the troll. "Well, come along," said the big billy goat Gruff. "I've got 2 horns and 4 hard hooves. See what you can do." So up climbed that mean ugly troll, and the big billy goat Gruff butted him with his horns, and he trampled him with his hard hooves. And he tossed him over the bridge into the rushing river. Then the big billy goat Gruff went up the hillside to join his brothers. In the meadow, the 3 billy goats Gruff got so fat they could hardly walk home again. They're probably still there. So snip, snap, snout, this tale's told out. The end. What did you think of the 3 billy goats Gruff, Puss?
Thank you, Miss Nikki, for that terrific tale. Boys and girls, do you remember how the billy goat's Gruff got to the meadow on the other side of the river? The billy goat's Gruff chose to trick the troll to get across the bridge. Miss Nikki and I were wondering, instead of tricking the troll, how might you get across the river to get to the meadow? Would you create your own bridge? Could you construct something to leap or fly over the river? Maybe you assemble something to float past the troll. Inside your quest kit, there are some novel engineering supplies. Using only those supplies, see what you could build to help the Billy Goat Gruff get safely across the river without interacting with the troll.
And be sure to post photos of your creations in the comments below, or you can text Smyrna Youth Services at 615-930-0948. Thanks for joining us for Novel Engineering. Bye.